Demystifying the term, money race. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll explore the phrase, money race. We'll dive into its meaning, its context, and how to use it. If you've ever been puzzled by this term, stay tuned. Money race is composed of two words, money and race. Money. This refers to a medium of exchange, such as coins and banknotes, that is generally accepted as payment for goods and services. Race. This can refer to a competition between runners, horses, vehicles, etc., to see which is the fastest. But in many contexts, it refers to a contest to achieve or get something. When combined, the term doesn't just refer to a simple race involving money. Instead, it captures a larger idea. In most contexts, a money race refers to a competitive rush or struggle to gather or raise funds. This term is often used in politics, where candidates might compete against each other to raise campaign funds. The one with the most money can often have a significant advantage because they can invest more in marketing, outreach, and other resources. However, the term can be used outside politics as well. It can refer to any situation where there's a competitive rush to secure funds or investments. Let's look at some examples to better understand its usage. 1. The presidential candidates are in a tight money race, with each trying to out-fundraise the other. 2. Startups in Silicon Valley often find themselves in a money race to secure the most venture capital funding. 3. After the disaster, several NGOs were in a money race to get the necessary funds for relief efforts. Understanding phrases like money race can help you grasp deeper cultural and societal nuances, especially when following news or discussions related to finance or politics. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of this term for you. Keep learning and stay curious.